आज मतलब today I'm just making this video for the sake is that I am facing a problem right now on my interceptor, and I want everyone to know this issue. And if anyone knows about this issue, please help me to tell so that I can tell the workshop manager or the mechanic that which sensor the fault is coming from. So I'm starting from the beginning. So a month of back I did a Bolpur or Shantiniketan trip on my bike near about 600 kilometers or so, or more than that, of the sort. So when I was going on the road, so I had two interceptors, so I did ride the other one, and what I noticed that my bike's pickup has become low, and somehow it's not catching up with that bike. So I was a bit frustrated to learn about that. Sorry, my screen brightness is gone. It's for this auto. So uh, the bike was performing like underpowered bike. The pickup was dead, but there is no issue. There is a physical issue that the bike will behave like that of that purpose. So I did the trip. I came back home and I visited the workshop. The workshop said there's nothing wrong with your bike. So when I told them to try the other bike back to back, so they noticed there is a pickup drop or the acceleration drop somehow. So I decided to visit another workshop, that's Kolkata Bike Zone. I got my bike from Barasat. We went to visit Kolkata Bike Zone. So they demanded to keep the bike for 4-5 days, which was not that convenient for me to keep there. So I was coming back, but they told to take an appointment and come there. So I was coming back because there was too much rush that day. When I was coming back from the KBZ workshop, so I suddenly saw the EMIL light or the check engine light on my console. So I rushed to my workshop, which is Barasat workshop, and submitted my bike. They connected the diagnostic tool which they have, or you can say the DOL tool which the company gives the workshop. So it was showing something code P0651, something sensor voltage stabilization reference B circuit, something of that sort. I didn't know about it, and I shouldn't know about it because that's not my case to know. So they demanded to keep the bike. I told them you keep 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, but I want my bike fixed, and I want my bike behave normally like other 650, and I want the acceleration back. So after 2-3 days I got my bike. They delivered me. So the bike was behaving normal, the pickup was back, it was good, performing good. But until yesterday, so the same problem did show up again. The check engine was on. I will surely attach one video at the end. When I stop speaking, I will attach a video or photo also. So what they did and what is the issue, if anyone knows, please help me out. So yesterday I again visited the workshop. The manager saw that one, the code, the same was coming, P0651, something of that sort written on the DTC tool, sorry. So what they did is, they didn't resolve the issue. They just restarted the ECU or something, and they erased the DTC, diagnostic or something of that sort. So they erased the DTC, the P0651 code, and restarted my bike, and they said, see, the bike is okay. I knew it will again come back because you are not resolving from its core. The problem has arisen from somewhere. So you aren't visiting that part, you aren't checking that part, but you are just erasing the diagnostic tool, something of that sort. So I came back. I just came the halfway home. The check engine was back again. So I again called the manager. The manager told, okay, let's see what we can do. We will contact the company. They will instruct us what to do. Then we will perform on your bike. Then I thought is that they are taking salary. साले पैसे लेते हो, इतना पढ़ाई लिखे हो, ट्रेनिंग देता है कंपनी, एक इशू तुमको नहीं समझ में आता है कि बाइक में कौन सा इशू है, क्या इशू है, किसके लिए है, कौन से सेंसर के लिए इशू है, उनको खुद नहीं पता है. और ये है रॉयल एनफील्ड के मैनेजर, कोई है टेक्नीशियन, कोई ये कोई वो. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं उनको कोई ख़राब मतलब कोई बैड मेंटलिटी से बोल रहा हूँ, बट देखो मेरा पैसा लगा है बाइक के ऊपर, मैं बाइक को लेके घूम नहीं सकता. मतलब मैं बाइक को लेके घूमूँ या बाइक को वर्कशॉप पे रख दूँ दिनों, मतलब आप समझ सकते हो. सो I just got irritated on that point that please keep the bike, we will check, what the company says we will do on your bike, means they are still clueless about the problem my bike is showing, and they kept my bike for 3 days some 2 weeks back and did nothing. If they did something, if they changed something under warranty, because my bike's only 6 months old, so I am fully authorized to get the warranty, and they didn't change anything. So just did, so I think they again did the same thing of erasing the DTC and giving my bike back. So what I did last night is that I put an email on the customer support in field, but I didn't got a reply back from their head. So I tweeted again on the infield page and tagging Siddharth Lal. If anything works, let me show. And please, if any guys are watching my video and are able to identify the fault, if they faced that issue in their bike somewhere before, please do let me know which sensor is the problem. So I'm attaching the video of the check engine light and also the photo of the DTC tool which was showing that reference circuit B circuit something. So stay tuned on my videos and see the video and the picture.